Welcome to making a wooden salad server set. Now this first piece is a piece of basswood that I was actually given to by a customer at Mom's Pantry. Oh, and if you don't know what Mom's Pantry is, it's in Thunder Bay. It's a local convenience store that's currently only open Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays from 12 to 6. They have hot, fresh food every day, but most importantly, you can find all of my kitchenwares that I make available there already. These spoons are available there right now, as well as some charcuterie boards that'll be in the that'll pop up in a few videos over the week. One salad spoon made of basswood with a spiral handle. And now for a black ash tulip-shaped salad fork to pair with it. I cut these bits on the scroll saw, and originally it was just shaped by tracing the original spoon made of basswood. When shaping, it's important to make sure the inside face is concave and the outside is convex so that you can properly scoop your salad and hold it. And can't forget the spiral. And there we go. One tulip-headed black ash salad fork to pair with that nice basswood spoon. Now for the second set, if you rotate your handle like this, continually changing what angle you're pressing on the sander, you get this gorgeous dappled effect, which you'll see really show up with the Shou Sugi Ban finish. Finally, we oil and get to see what colors this has. Ugh, the best part. If you're wondering what those knives on the side there are, they are butter knives I made out of black ash for some charcuterie boards that will be featured in some videos in the future. So keep an eye out for them and subscribe. If you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss them, because a couple of them look like butcher knives. It's interesting. Hey, just wondering for anyone watching, are there any projects you guys are interested in seeing? Are there any steps of some of my sword making videos, maybe, or videos like this that you'd like to see some more detail in some of the steps? Let me know. I'm kind of new to the video making process, and I'm just kind of having fun making stuff and having YouTube as an excuse to keep making stuff. So, thanks for watching, and yeah. This was a fun project. Here's the final result.